ప్రపంచాన్ని పీడిస్తున్న కరోనా వైరస్ కు టీకా మన తెలంగాణ నుంచే వస్తుందన్నారు మంత్రి కేటీఆర్. హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉన్న భారత్ బయోటెక్ సంస్థ నుంచి ఆ టీకా వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నట్లు చెప్పారు. హైదరాబాద్ లోని జీనోమ్ వ్యాలీలో ఉన్న భారత్ బయోటెక్ వ్యాక్సిన్ ప్రొడక్షన్ సెంటర్ ను మంత్రి కేటీఆర్ సందర్శించారు.
Vaccine manufacturing. We in fact today manufacture more than 1/3 vaccines that are used globally, and we also have in fact, like I pointed out, been home to pharma companies which have been producing the drugs such as remdesivir, favipiravir, etc., which have all been in news in the last few months. Delighted that Hyderabad's ecosystem, more particularly the three companies which are right here with us, are leading the vaccine race. There are more than 150 vaccines that are currently under development at various stages across the world. But within India, we have 6 companies that are in the race. And out of those 6, I'm proud to share with you, 4 of them actually are headquartered in Hyderabad. And 3 of them are sitting right here with us. So I'm here more to learn from them. I'm here more to understand from them, like every other layman out there in India and elsewhere, on what is happening in today's world and what is happening in the vaccine manufacturing and also other developments with respect to COVID and this pandemic. I know you're working on 3 different vaccines in 3 different parts of the world. Tell us what you believe is going to come out first. Also tell us how you see this remaining effective and the efficacy of the vaccine per se. How do you see that also helping us?
I think globally by next year at least 10 to 15 vaccines will be there in the market, different platform. But this is the first time cancer biologists are getting into the vaccine field. This is very surprising things we're seeing the transition. And now they are bringing their adjuvant, their strategy of immunity is bringing into the vaccine field now, first time. So what we have is right now is the Th2 response. And now people are realizing Th2 is no use. We need Th1, cell-mediated response. That's a good sign, already figured out that. So when you have that figured out, now adjuvant will come in, live vaccines, other things will come in, and that will take place right now. And people will figure out whether maybe live combined with inactivated with the live, all these combinations will come out. By next year, they'll figure out the science. And I'm not I'm very optimistic because the intensity of the research, first time I'm seeing so many companies getting in, and the immunology will build up.
టీకాల అభివృద్ధి తయారీలో భారత్ భాగస్వామ్యం కీలకమైందని ప్రపంచ దేశాలు పదే పదే చెబుతున్నాయన్నారు మంత్రి కేటీఆర్. హైదరాబాద్ నుండి 3వ వంతు వ్యాక్సిన్ ప్రపంచ దేశాలకు అందించడం గర్వంగా ఉందన్నారు. ప్రపంచ ఆరోగ్య సంస్థ చీఫ్ సైంటిస్ట్ సౌమ్య స్వామినాథన్ కూడా మంత్రి కేటీఆర్ నిర్వహించిన చర్చలో పాల్గొన్నారు.